Guys, this is Lewis and you're watching on Checky. So in this video we are going to talk about the top 5 tech greatest fashion collabs till happen on the earth. So before wasting time, let's jump to the video. Please subscribe to this channel, would be fantastic. So let's move. In the first number we have Apple x Hermes. Apple is one of the largest tech brand available right now. Apple do not collaborate much more than other companies, but if you collaborate in the quality and the price of the phone or the any gadget will be top notch. And here is the same. Apple has collaborated with Hermes in 2015 in Apple watches, and till now the Apple Watch Series 7 is with Hermes limited edition is $1,359. And I want to add something more, that Apple has also collaborated with Nike. You can buy the Nike smartphone Series 7 which costs around $500. And let's move to the second number. We have LG X Prada. Yeah, we know that LG is not in the smartphone market companies no more, but we have their memory in our heart. Yeah, I do not experience LG much more. If you are experienced, then please comment down. And LG is one of the oldest brand. So LG has just left, but it has done a lot of collaboration in the past, and one of this is LG X Prada. Prada needs no intro, but LG has launched LG has launched a phone LG Prada, which is cost around $529. Let's move to the third point. In the third number we have Samsung. How can we forget Samsung? It is collaborated with Tom Brown, as you know if you are in tech community. So in every J series, J Fold or J Flip, Samsung has also launched their Tom Brown editions, which is really looking so fucking dope. Yeah, this is really dope, man. So if you are planning to buy a Samsung phone, it costs around $3,000, which is slightly higher than its original ones, but its looks and its functions are really great. I want to experience that. Fourth number we have Xbox X Gucci. Who don't know about Gucci, man? Gucci is a famous brand, famous fashion brand, man. So we have Xbox here, which is from Microsoft. I don't like Xbox so much. I am a PS5 lover, but I have a PS4 currently because I'm not upgraded yet. PS6, but I will upgrade soon. And yep, if you are planning to buy a Microsoft, then but it is really expensive. If you are and can be a reviewer, then it's no price. It is cost around $10,000, which is great. Yeah, so let's move to the fifth point. Number we